The common problems on the X-ray Bucky frontal side chest stand. 1. What is the Bucky radiology application? New Bucky radiology can match with DR, CR cassette and X-ray film cassette for realize different X-ray application. 2. Do you have mobile Bucky radiology? Sure, ours any Bucky radiology can realize mobile application if you want. Just contact our service is okay. 3. I want to make 17x17 radiography. Does your Bucky radiology meet the requirement? Yes, we have the related 17x17 Bucky radiology to take 43 x 43 cm X-ray film radiography. 4. Does your Bucky radiology can install flat panel detector? Yes, our Bucky radiology can install different brand and models of flat panel detector. 5. Is it difficult to install? No, it isn't. It is easy to install. As for the fixed type, it just needs to use 4 pieces of M8 expansion screws to fix. As for the mobile type, it just needs to install the mobile plate is okay. 6. Does your Bucky radiology can make child radiography? Sure. Our bucket stand can both make adult and child radiography.